Hi, my name is Vas and welcome again to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna unbox the Huawei Watch GT4. So basically I've purchased this watch just to watch, just to look more after my health, and after I've read all the reviews online, I've seen it does good with health management, which you can check on application. So I've decided to buy and to wear this watch, and now I'm gonna unbox this watch and really hopefully I'm really excited, to be honest, to see how this watch will gonna perform. I've never owned a smartwatch before, so basically it's my first smartwatch, and as I said, I'm really excited to see how this watch will gonna perform and work with my phone as well. I know this watch also does connect with an iPhone and also with Android phone, which is very handy. So let's unbox this box and let's have a look what's inside the box. So that's the watch. Looks pretty good. Looks like good quality as well. So we got a watch here in the box. There you go. I'm gonna put this one on the side and like this, and let's have a look what else is in this box. These are manuals if you want to read more about this watch. Okay, and I believe you got the charger here. Yeah, so that's a wireless charger. Pretty handy, and yes, nothing else apart from the watch itself. Yeah, and the manuals. I think that's a warranty as well. So from what I've been told, basically you have 1 year manufacturer warranty with this watch. So if anything goes wrong, hopefully not, I will have to contact Huawei and see if they can solve the issue. So yeah guys, that's pretty much the unboxing, the Huawei Watch GT4. If you have any questions about this watch, feel free to ask in the comments. Thumbs up as well. Feel free to subscribe my channel, and I'm gonna see you next video.